Hi everybody, today we're going to be going over is the sentence in the past, present, or future tense examples. So before we jump into the examples, let's just go over what present, past, and future tense verbs look like. So present tense verbs will be the ones that tell you that something is happening right now in the moment. Generally speaking, they're of a regular form and they either have no particular ending or they may end in S or ES. There are two common irregular present verbs, to be and to have, which you'll have to memorize. As for past tense verbs, they tell you about something that has already happened. Most of them are regular and they will typically end in ED. There are irregular past tense verbs, however, one being went. So like he went to the store, that would be an irregular past tense verb because it does not end in ed. We then have future tense verbs which tell you about something that is going to happen, and all of future tense verbs will use the word will to precede the verb. So let's get into some examples. At the party, the sisters danced together. So we're looking at the verb danced. We see that it ends in ed, which is our signal that it should be a past tense verb. For our next example, we have Steve opens the big box. Opens is our verb in this sentence, and if we take a look at it, it ends in s, which signifies that it is present tense. Carmen and Rob skated in the park. Our verb here is skated, and we see that it ends in ed, which tells us it happened in the past. So that's past tense verb. Bruce will pop the popcorn. So our verb here is pop, and it has will pop. So that indicates that this hasn't happened quite yet, meaning that will pop is future tense. Dad will clean the baby's bottle. Once again, we have will, which is a big clue that the action has not yet occurred. So it has to happen in the future. So we know this is future tense because of this will clean. And that's all I have today. I hope that helped show you what future, past, and present tenses look like in context.